Hey guys, Joe from Sonicu. Just wanted to take a moment to show you a sample of the dashboards that are available on Sonicu monitoring as part of our SoniCloud monitoring platform. So we're looking at the web-based version. There's also a mobile version on iOS and Android that's very similar. But what we're looking at here is our standard dashboard of what we call a single site. And you can see all the points of monitoring in green, yellow, or red status. For the site, what's in range or what's out of range, if anything's offline, et cetera. And this is really your place to navigate anywhere you want to go to look at reports, calibrations, alarm histories, corrective actions, contact our support if need be, and then just scroll through and see, hey, don't have any alarms that are active, anything in the last 7 days, none here as you can see. And then there's some other things at the bottom. If you've decided to use our favorite points, it'd show those points here. Built in is this did you know that kind of shows you things that might be a little bit of interest, either things that have been offline, as this point shows, or things that have been kind of below the threshold. So just kind of a did you know, but this is our standard dashboard for a single site. And we have other options as well. So this is a custom dashboard using a map showing all the locations for a customer. This is our multi-site view. So if you were an administrator and you had multiple sites throughout the country, you could see every one of your facilities kind of in that green, yellow, or red high level. And then you could drill down into those sites as we just showed you on the single dashboard. And then also you can look at floor plan view within a dashboard. This is real common with our clients. So this is a hospital pharmacy floor plan. They just load a PDF and then you can drag these points of monitoring to where they're actually at. If you have the admin privileges, and our customer success team helps train our customers on this and assist with this during setup. Real easy to do. Again, high level overview of our dashboards, what you can do on Sonicu. You can look at individual sites, you can look at multi-sites. There's a lot of ways that you can make the Sonicu dashboard work for your organization's workflow. So thanks for taking a look at Sonicu monitoring dashboards. We appreciate it. Take care.